My name is Tenichi. I'm a food development manager with Mr. Minh. We specialize on Vietnamese cuisine. Also, we have a commercial kitchen to do Uber Eats. In the last 2 years, we've been on Uber Eats business top list. 3 years ago, when we started the Uber Eats, we discovered rationale Campiawan, which has helped us speed up a lot of process in our cooking area. We have 2 units national oven in our production kitchen, and also we are using the latest Campiawan in our restaurant, and it really helped us to speed up a lot of our process in our kitchen. Rationale machine have helped us to develop a lot of good food and new recipe. In previous time, we're having a lot of trouble with doing roast duck and crispy pork and some of our traditional grilled Vietnamese food. But with Rationale, they have helped us to develop even better taste, better quality on our food. With the Rationale Self-Cooking Center, we will develop more new recipe in the future. I would strongly recommend to other restaurants, which will help everyone to save a lot of money with the best outcome, best results in their business. No matter who using it to cook, every time they give us great results on our food. That's why I'm so confident with Rationale Campiawan for our future business.